Parents and guardians of students from Beecham Hill Primary and Infant School in St. Mary are concerned ahead of next week's reopening. The institution was gutted by fire in December and will not be repaired in time for the new term. Students have been temporarily placed at Zion Hill Primary.
They have some students who don't really understand how to travel on the road further out on the main, and it's easier if you know, say, you have a child and him there living in a community and him is just a walking distance. Now we have to find fare, lunch money, and you know, and what about all the baby them? We parents have to travel to bring them out there and collect them back.
Yes, for instance, you have one township, you know, them could have run come because you know that could have deal with lunch or whatever. You have to think about the fear if it goes down, back and forth. And you know, you have to come back and meet them out the road, you know. Yes, it would be much easier because, I mean, in the community or whatever, you can send them back and forth.
Parents were hoping the school would have been repaired in time. To date, no work has been done on the damaged structure. Repairs are estimated at $32 million.